Hey there, one and all. So let's start our class. Okay, so we're doing transportation in animals, right? Well, so let me discuss some topic. Okay, so lungs. Okay, in our body different organs are there. So first, lungs. So function of lungs is, many of you say that it purifies the blood. Okay, but totally wrong. So what it does oxygenate blood. यसले के गर्छ, to oxygenate the blood. Okay, our blood. So next we have heart. Our heart ले गर्छ ला purify? No. So what it does pumps. Okay, pumps the blood. Now where blood purifies? Okay, in your mind. Okay, in your mind the question is where blood purifies, isn't it? So our organ is there, isn't it? So that is kidney. Kidney purifies the blood. Okay, clear? So if this, then there is oxygenate. Okay, oxygenate means blood which has or which contain oxygen. Okay, and the carrier of oxygen is your hemoglobin. Okay, you know hemoglobin. And there is another type of blood also there, so that is your deoxygenate blood. Okay, so एउटा छ oxygenate, अर्को छ deoxygenate. Deoxygenate blood मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ, oxygen हुँदैन. Okay, actually. Okay, but people says that it contains carbon dioxide. So let's start our topic, that is your blood vessel. Blood vessels are capillaries. Okay, through which blood used to travel. Okay, so blood vessel. So mainly we have two types of blood vessel. Okay, so first one is your arteries, second one is your veins. Okay, so let's talk about this two, the function of this two. Okay, there is also subdivision. Okay, there are two arteries and there are two types of veins. You know that diagram. Okay, so you drawn that diagram. Okay, so let's start from diagram. So arteries carry oxygenate blood from the heart to the body parts. Okay, the different body parts. Okay, to body parts except pulmonary arteries. So all arteries carries oxygenate blood from heart to different parts of the body. Okay, but pulmonary arteries does not. Okay, clear? So next, veins carry deoxygenate blood from different body parts to where? To heart. Okay, except pulmonary vein. Clear? This to what? This cannot carry their work. Okay, same work. Okay, in a different. Okay, so arteries like even भन्छ, arteries also called distributary vessel. Okay, arteries like के भन्छ, distributary, किन हार्ट देखि बाहिर जान्छ. Okay, distributary vessel. okay, and vein carry blood to the heart. So this is called collecting vessel. Collecting vessel. Okay. Now next, arteries are reddish in color. Okay, this color of arteries is reddish, and color of vein is bluish. Okay, भेन को कलर कस्तो हुन्छ ब्लू हुन्छ यहाँ देख्छ नि तिम्रो हैन त्यो भेन ब्लू देख्छ नि तर आर्टरी चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ रेड नेक्स्ट राइट डाउन नेक्स्ट पोइन्ट आर्टरीज कस्तो हुन्छ थिक एन्ड इलास्टिक ओके भेन कस्तो हुन्छ थिन इजन्ट इट थिन and less elastic आर्टरी चाहिँ तन्किन्छ हो कि अरु कस्तो हुन्छ बाक्लो हुन्छ थिन हुन्छ यो तर तन्किँदैन कम्ती तन्किन्छ ओके so this is what arteries and vein okay hemoglobin part is no isn't it yes so let's start we finish this one isn't it so what I mean to say is that in biology if you combine cell you will get tissue okay and if you combine tissue you will get organ if you combine organ you will get organ system then organ system compromise organism okay so next topic is our limb so if you confuse with hemoglobin then tell me okay so let's start next topic is your blood done isn't it so next one is your limb so write down limb if you confuse with this vessel also then tell me okay I will make another video for this vessel pulmonary veins and pulmonary arteries so there is the confusion okay so पहिला हार्ट को हेर pulmonary veins ले के ल्याउँछ oxygenate blood तर भेन को काम चाहिँ के हो deoxygenate blood ल्याउनु हो किन सबै यता छ अर्को के छ arteries ले के गर्छ लान्छ oxygenate blood isn't it तर के हुन्छ pulmonary arteries ले चाहिँ के लान्छ deoxygenate blood का लान्छ lungs मा ओके तर दुईटै के हो vessel okay or capillaries पनि भन्छ कसैले vessel भनेको के हो through which blood travels okay so next write down limb so limb मा बेसी पढ्नु पर्दैन okay so write down a yellowish fluid escape from the blood capillaries into the intracellular space contains less protein than blood that is your limb चाहिँ के हो a yellowish fluid okay escape from the blood capillaries into blood vessel okay capillaries means into the intracellular space contains less proteins than blood को भन्दा कम दिन्छ okay so yellowish fluid which is escaped from the capillaries into the intracellular space. Cell को intracellular isn't it? Cell house of anything again. So that contains less protein than blood. अब limbs flow from the tissue to the heart. अब के हुन्छ limbs चाहिँ कहाँबाट flow हुन्छ lymph flows from the tissue to the tissue देखि कहाँ जान्छ heart. Okay, assisting or helping, okay, helping or assisting in transportation and destroying germs. Okay, जम्सहरु जति हुन्छ नि बाटोमा तिनीलाई के गर्छ यसले डिस्ट्रोय गर्दिन्छ. ओके, सो होप यु अन्डरस्टुड. सो दिस मच इज योर लिम्फ. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टपिक राइट डाउन ट्रान्सपोर्टेसन इन प्लान्ट. छोटो छ. ओके, सजिलो पनि छ ट्रान्सपोर्टेसन. जाइलम एन्ड फोलिम ओन्ली यु हेभ टु स्टडी इज इन इट. जाइलमले के गर्छ फोलिमले के गर्छ. ओके, तिमीले पढेको होला 9 मा पनि. So write down transportation in plant. Transportation in plant. Book later पढ्नु ल. So write down transportation in plants. So if you see your book, then you'll get there are two main conduct tissue, okay, in a plant called xylem and phloem. Okay, so write down there are two main conducting tissue, okay, in a plant called conducting means through which the materials passes. Okay, called plants called xylem and phloem. PHLOEM phloem. Okay, बुक में हेर phloem. अब फंक्शन हेर xylem carries water and minerals. Okay, xylem फंक्शन हेर xylem carries water and minerals. Water and minerals कहाँबाट ल्याउँछ from root to other parts of the plant, to other parts of the plant. Okay, so next phloem, PHLOEM phloem. What it does, अब इसको function. Okay, so phloem carries end product भन्दा पनि भयो product of photosynthesis, isn't it? Photosynthesis from कहाँ हुन्छ photosynthesis from leaves to the other part of the plant. So these are the conducting tissue inside a plant, okay, which carries or which transport the material inside a plant. Clear? So next process also there, okay, in plant, that is your ट्रान्सपिरेसन जसले सोध्छ एन्ड ट्रान्सलोकेसन, यो दुईटा जसले सोध्ने गर्छ ल, भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट. सो नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस आर देयर इन प्लान्ट, हाउ टु एक्सचेन्ज, ओके, हाउ टु ट्रान्सपोर्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट वान इज योर भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट ट्रान्सपिरेसन. ट्रान्सपिरेसन, ट्रान्सपिरेसन जसले सोध्छ है ट्रान्सपिरेसन भनेको के हो. It is the process by which plant lose water in the form of vapors. Okay, जति बेला दिउँसो हुन्छ त्यति बेला. Okay, it is the process by which plant lose water in the form of vapor. Clear? Transpiration जसले सोध्छ लिपबाट हुन्छ. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट ट्रान्सलोकेसन. दिस टू आर द confusing term. Okay, translocation. Translocation is nothing but transport of food from leaves to different parts of the plant. Okay, transport of food. Okay, food material, or you can write food from leaf to different